Marshall offers CNC Swiss machining and micro Swiss machining. Micro Swiss machines can manufacture very small parts. These machining characteristics support many requirements within the medical market. The micro Swiss machines can produce component diameters as small as 0.25 millimeters, or 10,000ths of an inch, and holes and cross holes as small as 0.1 millimeters, or 4,000ths of an inch. CNC Swiss machines are extremely versatile and in many cases have the ability to produce complex parts in a single cycle. This eliminates the need for secondary operations, offering customers shorter lead times and cost savings. Because the material holding system is very stable and the tooling is positioned close to the guide bushing, Swiss machines offer extreme accuracy. Multiple 12-foot bars of raw material are loaded into the bar feed system. This allows the machine to run for hours and frees the operator to concentrate on consistent quality. A Swiss machine offers many capabilities, including turning, milling, single-point threading, tapping, deburring, tree panning, cross-hole drilling, center drilling, burnishing, knurling, and more. Marshall's engineering team is often able to assist customers with cost optimization strategies. We encourage customers to review their medical component designs with Marshall early in the product development cycle. Contact Marshall for all your Swiss machining needs.